May 29th, 2025. I'm going to try to keep this at 3 minutes max, get more viewers. Sightseeing with Dignity, Human Rights, Tolerance, Anti-War, Pro-Life Education Art Series 60, completed this week with the framing. Portrait of Karen Hunt. She was a 20-year-old American, English major at Syracuse University, among the several hundred people who died either in the Pan Am flight or on the ground in Lockerbie, Scotland, December 1988, when the plane exploded. Muammar Qaddafi, the eventually deposed and slain Libyan dictator, had taken responsibility for the terror attack. Yet years later, Donald Trump in 2015, President Trump, praised Qaddafi and Iraqi dictator Saddam Hussein when Mr. Trump stated the world would be something like, the world would be much better if Qaddafi and Hussein were still in power. Just completely perverse, obscene, anti-faith, anti-child, anti-people sentiment in praise of dictators by President Trump. We have two drawings that you did on top that are part of a class workbook assignment, Autumn 1974, Fundamentals of Art class, SIU, Southern Illinois University, Carbondale School of Art. This one based on an etching by Goya called Porquet. This one based on a print by George Gross, a 20th century artist, German-born American immigrant, called Injection in 3 Days to be Fit for Field Duty. I have all these allegorical sea monsters. We have three ink and pencil sketches I did of seaweed on the beach in Aberdeen, Scotland in 1987 while I was living in Scotland. And we have a drawing I did down here of two trees, houses, like some kind of toy plane, and a seagull, which I drew from the backyard and kitchen window of a friend's house in Monteith, Scotland, on one of my teaching trips to Scotland. That was in 2011. All right, there you have it. We have a anthill I drew in West Palm Beach, Florida in the early 1990s, which made me think of a cloud when I looked at it. And we have two allegorical sea monsters in wood here, which I attached in the bottom. I burnished the wood to bring out the grain. That could be symbolic of Trump and that of Qaddafi. All right, there you have it, 3 minutes, 11 seconds. Thank you for watching. Please visit other works in the website, humanrights-holocaust-art.org. Thank you.